Hey guys, it's David, and one of the challenges of living in New England is keeping your roof maintained. A lot of people don't really think about that much, but with the crazy winters that we get, a lot of times you get really crazy roof damage, which causes leaks and all sorts of other damage. And when something like that happens, it's kind of hard to know who to call. And I want to turn you on to one of my close friends. This is John Dascom, and he's got a company called Go Fix It. Now this house, you can see the roof doesn't have a really steep pitch on it.
Exactly.
So tell everybody what happened with this really quick.
Yeah, so it actually happened twice, ironically, but 2 years ago when we had that ice dam issues, because of the pitch of the roof, we had some serious ice damming here right at the front edge of the roof, and which caused major problems inside. And for those of you that went through this challenge, I mean, literally it was like turning a faucet or dumping a bucket of water on the inside of this home. There was water shedding from the interior roof portion and then along the walls.
And the thing is, this is a really nice house on the inside. They've done a lot of extensive renovations to make it, modernize it and everything. So when this thing turned into a waterfall inside the house, you can imagine how panicked the homeowners must have been.
Yeah, it was amazing, yes.
Yeah.
And literally had to take everything apart and put it back together.
So let's go inside, and I want to see what you guys have done so far, because I know you haven't been on the job very long.
Exactly.
Okay, let's go check it out.
Sounds great. So literally right at this soffit line, David, is where the waterfall was essentially coming in. So all the damage was on the ceiling and then literally shed all the way down the walls.
So all this right up here, everything we see that's like new drywall.
Yeah, we had to completely take out, all the insulation was completely soaked, and then all the outside walls as well, same thing, all the drywall is completely soaked.
Okay, so we're in the bathroom, and there was big damage in the bathroom as well.
Yeah, huge damage and a lot more going on here in the bathroom. As you can see, outside really predominantly was just kind of the drywall, but in here with the bathroom, you've got a little bit of everything. We had to patch and do some tile work. All the water that was coming down disrupted all the grout. So we regrouted. We did new insulation here in this room. And then the drywall we talked about. The guys now are working on the vent fan light and putting some of the electrical back up. And if you look at that shower, we're actually going to have to retile that shower ceiling.
Oh, wow.
So obviously,
Hey
that's Omar. And so in this bathroom, we're talking electrical, we're talking plumbing, we're talking tile, we're talking drywall, we're talking insulation. So a lot of coordination of men just in this small area.
Stuff happens when you live in New England.
Exactly, yeah. It was kind of like, if you remember 2 years ago, it was kind of like a wicked storm. I mean, it just seemed like every house had ice damming issues. I mean, it was just bad.
I love it. You just said a wicked storm.
I did, a wicked storm.
It's wicked, wicked awesome. Yeah, so anyway, part of the perils of being in New England and a homeowner out here is you got all kinds of crazy maintenance you don't even expect most of the time. So when you contact the guys that Go Fix It, they can handle anything that needs to be done, from the roofing to the drywall to tile work. It's a big job. You guys, what's the turnaround time on this job for you from start to finish?
Yeah, we're going to knock this job out in about 7 days, David.
That's fast.
Yeah, 7 days, and it's going to require a little bit of everything, right? Some tile work, some electrical work, some plumbing work, obviously drywall work, and some finished carpentry on the baseboard and the trim around the windows and doors. So a lot of coordination and a lot of team members here in this small little situation.
So you can find them online at gofixit.com with 2 X's.
2 X's, you got it.
And you got a phone number, or just the online is the best way?
Yeah, I think the online's the best way to do it. And if you need a project, just click on Book Your Project Now, fill out our little form, and we'll get back to you and get right out to your house.
It's wicked easy.
It's wicked easy.